Hello, dear children. Welcome back. Hope you are safe at your home. Are you ready for today's class? Okay. Do you remember the story which we learned in the last class? Okay, good. Before going to the rest of the story, let's rewind the previous portion. Listen to me. The main characters are Toto-chan and Yasuki-chan. Yasuki-chan is a disabled boy. Both of them are studying in Tomo Public School. There is a speciality, that is, each student in that school had a tree as their own. They considered it as their own private property. Most of the children used to climb on their trees during the break and after school. If anybody wants to climb on others' tree, they have to seek permission very politely. But Yasuki-chan, a disabled boy, had no tree as his own. So Toto-chan decided to invite him to climb on her tree. For that, she went to his home and invited him. Okay, my dears, now let's move on to the today's portion. I'll read it. You listen carefully. Take your text, page number 149. When Toto-chan reached school, she found Yasuki-chan waiting in the school ground. He was only a year older than Toto-chan, but he always sounded much older when he spoke. When Yasuki-chan saw Toto-chan, he hurried toward her, dragging his leg and holding his arms out in front to steady himself. Toto-chan was thrilled to think they were going to do something secret, and she giggled. Yasuki-chan giggled too. Okay, my dears, did you get the idea of the passage? Oh, you don't worry, I will give the detailed explanation. I think you are very eager to know about the rest of the story, right? Very good. Listen to me. In the next morning, when Toto-chan arrived to school, then Yasuki-chan was waiting her in the school ground. Can you say why he was waiting her there? Yes, very good. Because last day, Toto-chan went to his home and invited him to climb her tree. That's why he was very thrilling and waiting here for Toto-chan. Even if Yasuki-chan was only 1 year older than Toto-chan, but he always speaks like much older. When he saw Toto-chan, he walked towards her very speedily by dragging his feet. Drag means to pull along with effort and difficulty. Because he had polio, Toto-chan was very thrilled because they were going to do something secret. So they giggled. Giggle means to laugh in a silly way. Okay, my dears, let's move on to the next portion. Are you ready? Okay, listen to me and read with me. Page number 150. The climb. Toto-chan led Yasuki-chan to her tree. Then she ran to the nearby shed and got a ladder. He dragged it over to the tree and leaned it against the trunk so that it reached the fork. Climbed up quickly and, holding the top of the ladder, called down, "All right, try climbing up." Yasuki-chan's arms and legs were very weak. It seemed he could not even get on the first rung without help. Okay, my dears, listen to me. I will give the detailed explanation. Can you say, what are they doing here? Yes, very good. They are trying to climb up the tree. Okay, listen to me. Thus Toto-chan led Yasuke-chan to climb the tree. So she could understand that it is very difficult to Yasuke-chan to climb the tree. So she ran to the nearby shed and brought a ladder. Then she leaned it against the trunk of the tree. Trunk means the thick part of the tree. She climbed up quickly to make the ladder in good condition and asked him to climb up. Yasuke-chan's legs and arms were very weak, so it seemed that he couldn't even get on the first rung without others' help. Rung means one of the bars that forms the step in a ladder. Okay, my dears, shall we move on to the next passage? Listen to me, I will read it. Page number 151. A friend in need. Toto-chan hurried down the ladder and tried pushing Yasuke-chan up from the behind. Yasuke-chan took his foot off the bottom rung. He stood beside the ladder with his head bowed. Toto-chan realized that it was going to be very difficult. What should she do? She longed to have Yasuke-chan climb her tree. He was also looking forward to it. She went around and faced him. He looked cheerless. Toto-chan puffed out of her cheeks and made a funny face to cheer him up. Wait, I have got an idea. Okay, listen to me. I will give the detailed explanation. Okay, my dears, can you say what did she bring to help the Yasuke-chan to climb up the tree? Yes, very good. A ladder. First, she climbed up to make it in a good condition. Then she came down hurriedly from the ladder and pushing up Yasuke-chan. Then she realized that it is very difficult. She couldn't leave her effort because she wished a lot to make him able to climb up her tree. When she looked at his face, he became cheerless. So she puffed out his cheeks. Puff out means to make something bigger or rounder by filling it with air. Here, Toto-chan made her cheeks bigger in a funny way to cheer him up. At that, she got an idea. Okay, dear children, shall we move on to the next passage to know about what was the idea? Okay, listen to me. I will read it. You can also read with me. Page number 152. Toto-chan's idea. Toto-chan ran back to the shed and pulled out many things one after another. She was looking for something that would help her. She finally discovered a step ladder. It would remain steady so she wouldn't have to hold it. She dragged the step ladder over to the tree. She was amazed at her own strength. She was happy to find that the ladder almost reached the fork. Okay, my dears, do you want to know what was the idea? Okay, then listen to me. Toto-chan ran back to the nearby shed and pulled out so many things one after another. Then she got a step ladder. Have you seen step ladder? Step ladder is a short folding ladder with flat steps and a small platform. She couldn't have to hold it because it was very heavy and steady. So she dragged it over to the tree. Then she, amazed by her own strength, she felt very happy because the ladder almost reached the fork. Okay, my dears, listen to the rest of the story. Now, don't be afraid, she said in a big sisterly voice. This is not going to wobble. Yasuke-chan looked nervously at the step ladder. Then she looked at Toto-chan. She was drenched in perspiration. Yasuke-chan was sweating too. Okay, my dears, Listen to this explanation. Then Toto-chan told Yasuki-chan very affectionately, "You don't afraid. It will not over." Over means to move from side to side in an unsteady way. So you can climb it. Yasuki-chan was fearful at the step ladder. Both of them were drenched in perspiration. Perspiration means sweat. Okay, my dears, listen to the rest of the story. He looked up at the tree. Then, with determination, he placed a foot on the first rung. They were not aware of the time it took Yasuki-chan to reach the top of the stepladder. The hot summer sun beat down, but they thought only about getting to the top of the stepladder. Toto-chan followed him, lifting his feet up. Yasuki-chan struggled with all his might and finally reached the top. Hooray! Okay, dears, listen to the detailed explanation. Yasuki-chan looked up at the tree and with a strong determination, he put his step on the first rung. They were not aware of the time to reach the top of the tree. The sun was very bright at that time. They had nothing in their mind, only one thing, that was to reach the top of the stepladder. Toto-chan also followed him to lift his feet. At last, after a long time struggle, he reached the top. They became very happy. Okay, my dears, did you enjoy the story? Very good. Now it's the time to wind up today's class. Let's meet in the next class with the rest of the story. Thank you.